Myself, Anil Parmato, lecturer in Inter Marwari College, Ranchi. Today we will discuss electronegativity and chemical bonding. Electronegativity is a tendency to attract shared pair of electrons by an atom in a covalently linked molecule. Electronegativity and electronegative are two some different things, whereas electronegative is the property of isolated gaseous atom, whereas electronegativity is the property of covalently bonded atom. Scale of electronegativity: Pauling scale, Mulligan scale, and Alfred scale. Factors affecting electronegativity: charge on the atom, atomic size, Z effective, screening effect, and hybridization state. Let us discuss one by one. First, charge on the atom. The electronegativity of cation is more than the corresponding atom. The positive charge on cation increases, electronegativity increases. Fe is less than Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 2 is less than Fe plus 3. Second, electronegativity of anion is always lesser than the corresponding atom, and as the negative charge on anion increases, electronegativity decreases. So oxygen is greater than oxygen minus, and O minus is greater than O minus 2. Third, atomic size. As the size increases, electronegativity decreases. Fourth, Z effective nuclear charge. As Z effective increases, electronegativity increases. Fifth is screening effect, such as sigma. As the value of sigma increases, Z effective decreases, hence electronegativity decreases. Sixth is hybridization state. As the percentage of S character in hybrid orbital increases, electronegativity increases. Periodic trends. As we move along the period, effective nuclear charge increases, and that is why electronegativity gradually increases up to group 17. Second, in a group, as we move down, the electronegativity generally decreases. Now we will discuss some chemical bonding. Chemical bond can be defined as the attractive force that binds the different atoms or ions present in a chemical species. The process of bond formation is an exothermic process. Cause of chemical combination: first, to attain minimum energy. Second, when atom initially at infinite distance, the potential energy of the system is zero. Third, when atoms come closer to each other, flowing interaction takes place. Electron-electron repulsion, electron-proton attraction, and proton-proton repulsion. Fourth, if the net result is attraction, then total energy of the molecule decreases and a chemical bond is formed when the net energy of the system is minimum. Fifth, the amount of energy released during bond formation is known as bond energy. And sixth, the internuclear distance between the atom when bond is formed is known as bond length. Tendency to acquire noble gas configuration. Atoms combine to complete octet of electron in the valence shell. Hence, all the atoms have tendency to acquire H2P6 configuration except hydrogen, which follow duplet rules. Thank you.